Food is medicine. I mean, that's my medicine all my life. Food, sleep, laughter, crying, those are medicines. Getting together, praying, that's medicine. Simple. But food, very, like, I mean, the less processed food and the more natural food you have, the better you are. I don't even buy most things in the store now. What I have or what people can get from the land. Or I know the people who are growing them, like the chickens or the beef or the bison. Like I buy from people I know and how they treat their animals and what they feed them. I won't even buy honey from that's growing near a canola field because of all the pesticides. That's the worst crop ever, is the canola. There's so much pesticides that they use on that crop even before they even put the seed in the soil, a lot of them. Same with the corn. I don't even use corn oil anymore. It's like you don't know. They're all modified, genetically modified seeds now. You can't even find a real corn hardly unless it's handed down. Like I got some from these old ladies that, passed it on from one. Like you keep corn, you can keep your seeds for 2-3 years, but then you can regenerate them and harvest. Like 1 year maybe it doesn't grow too good, but you save it for 2 or 3 years so that you can still plant. Like harvesting your seeds out of the garden is really important to keep that natural cycle going, and they give themselves to you for that. They want you to do that. That's why they go to seed.